Hey guys, thanks for tuning in for lesson 2. Again, this is due Friday by 10 p.m. You should be doing this after you complete lesson 1. There's some crucial information in lesson 1, so make sure you finish that. If you need help, here's my email, my phone number. You know how to reach me at this point. This lesson has 4 steps. It's actually pretty short, so you only have 2 or 3 significantly chunky steps before you go into your evaluation. The first step is always watching me tell you what to do in your lesson. Your weekly learning objective is that you will be able to explain using evidence how fire is beneficial to the California forest ecosystem and how indigenous/native Californians traditionally managed forests and fires. Here are some key points from the last lesson. So as you read over this, if any of it looks like news to you, or it looks shocking, or you have no idea what it means, make sure you go back to lesson 1 and review. Step 2 should take you about 10 minutes. You're going to click on this picture, which will take you to an Edpuzzle where you can learn about Native Californians. So by clicking on the link attached to the picture, you'll open up the Edpuzzle. The Edpuzzle is a video of about 5 minutes, and there are a few questions that you'll answer along the way. Make sure that you watch the entire video and you answer the questions, because I can see each one of you on my Edpuzzle and whether you've completed this or not. Once you do that, you can scroll down and take a break. When you come back, be ready for step 3. The first part of step 3 is to read the article, and the second part is, as you're reading, you're going to annotate. So you're going to highlight at least 3 important points the article makes, underline at least 2 words or terms that you don't know, and then comment with 1 question you have. The way that you make a comment is you highlight the text, and then up here there is this button next to the link and next to insert image. If your screen is a little bit smaller, it might be over here on the right side. So you're going to click on that, and it will automatically add a comment, and you can type in whatever you want. Here is my sample comment, and I'm going to comment, and now it will pop up like that. If you prefer to hear an audio version of this article, let me delete this. Oh my gosh, okay. If you prefer to hear an audio version of the text, or you want to hear it as you read, you can click this link and it will take you to an audio recording of the text. This is the word bank for the article, so if at any point you get confused by a word, first check to see if it's in the word bank, and then you can continue on. If you still don't know what it means, then you can underline it. So here are some terms. They're translated in both English and Spanish, so it should be helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know. But here's the article. It's relatively short. There's just the word bank that takes up a good amount of space. So make sure that you read the article, you are annotating it, and then reviewing the key points before moving on to answering these 3 questions. What is cultural burning? Answer in a few sentences here. List 3 benefits of cultural burning, or intentional, carefully timed, low-intensity fires. We've also called this prescription burning, if that sounds more familiar. And then, how is fire management different today than it was before Europeans colonized the Americas? So answer these 3 questions, be as specific as possible, as detailed as possible, because that's the last step. Your final step, as always, is to evaluate, so make sure that you watched this video, watched the Edpuzzle, and then read and annotated the article and answered the questions. Then you're going to provide this feedback for me, and if you struggled with the lesson or if you want extra help, let me know. Otherwise, I will see you in class.